ingredients. This is a staple vegetable that we use for making salad in Manipur. It is known as Pennywort in English, Brahmi in Hindi, Peruk in Manipuri. It comes under herbs, used in many products, shampoos or hair oils, but still we eat as a leafy vegetable. It's very popular. I am going to make a salad recipe which is known as Peruk Kangsu in Manipuri. And for dressing, we're going to use these items. This is dried white peas which I've soaked last night, some fermented fish. Next we have the dried ghost pepper. I am using these dried ones because they are very spicy and I love it this way. But you can also use fresh chilies which are red in colors, or you can even use the dried version of these. And the last ingredient is our salt. Now let us rinse it properly. I am going to rinse it like for 3 times and then it's ready to use. I am using clean drinking water here. I'll now cover it with a lid and then boil it on medium flame for like 20 minutes and it should be done.
It's a history, never really grows. I'm letting go, I'm letting go. It's a silence, never really blows.
Onions for garnishing. Let's now check the condition after 15 minutes. Ooh, it's hot. Let's dip the upper portion. You see the red color there? The red liquid, yes. Looks like a tea. It's gonna be used for drinking as well as washing my hairs. And close it back. Boil it on medium flame for another 5 minutes and it should be done. Since it's gonna be a dry salad, we'll let this cool down for like 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the excess water and then squeeze the water out of the leaves and use it for salad. We'll keep roasting on medium flame until such tiny black spots appear more prominently, but keep stirring, you don't want it to get burned. You see the black spots are more prominent, so this is ready. You can off the flame. Now let us poke them while they're still hot because it's much easier that way. If you have a grinder, you can grind them for about 3 seconds. You want it to be coarse and not very fine powder. You can also use your hands to crush it a bit more so that it has that fine texture. So yeah, this is ready. This is what we exactly want. This much quantity is enough. This is to cook the fermented fish. I'll put the fermented fish here. It's gonna be hot. I'll cut them into pieces so that it gets cooked faster. We're gonna keep stirring until it gets reduced to 1/3 of the quantity. We don't want a very watery liquid. Let's keep on medium flame and keep stirring. Now it's the perfect quantity, perfect consistency, so let us off the flame. This is what we exactly want. I'll collect it in this bottle. Yeah. So I'll store this one for washing my hair. I'll store it in the fridge. It will last me for about a week. It's just water and the release from the leaves, that's all. And I'll drink some. This is a really good health tonic. Really nice. It's a little bitter, mild bitter, I can manage that. Or else you can put jaggery or brown sugar if you do not consume refined white sugar. Now let us squeeze out the excess water from the leaves. So guys, to really wash your hands if you are touching food items. I've already washed mine. And you squeeze out the water with your hands like this. This is good enough.
Around your neck, you take whatever's left that you could salvage from the wreck. Hard paths will follow you like a lost dog on the beach, nipping at your tail till you've drifted out of reach. Yeah, turn around, there's nothing to see here. Run away, no reason to be here. It's the ghost who never goes away. Turn around and leave this behind now. See the ground as it leads to the sky now. You fight the sea, you're always gonna drown. In a broken horizon, in the castles made of sand, you tried to hold it in your hand.
I'm gonna add some red chili powder just for the color. First, I am going to mix this paste properly. And then mix them all over.
All the way the lies about the things you thought you knew.
And then let us mix the peas. Mix them real nice. Look at the color. Wow, one of the best dish of Manipur. Yay, Peruk Kangsu. It's gonna be yummy. If you like the video, and I hope you do, give me a like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Bye.